This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we have a Sub-Zero refrigerator that we're going to be cleaning the condenser, and we're going to lift up on this front panel and then we'll pull down, and that's going to give us access to this area, which is the condenser. And you can see all this dirt that's built up, and that's limiting how well the refrigerator can get rid of heat. So it's going to run a lot longer and be less efficient. So we're just going to clean this dust off. You can use a lot of different things. There's brushes designed for it. I'm just going to use a paintbrush. It'll work fine. I'm just going to reach in there and clean away all that dust. You could also use a vacuum attachment. It would work good. But the goal is just to get that all nice and clean, so when you look in there, there's really no dust left. And this could be something that you could do every few months, and it's going to really help your refrigerator to run more efficiently. It's going to save you energy, save you money. And again, I'm just using a paintbrush. I'm standing up on a stool so I can get up there a little bit further, because these are pretty high up, and I'm reaching into this little cavity. Best to have it either turned off at this point or unplugged, turned off at the breaker. And probably the best bet is to use a vacuum cleaner with an attachment, but if you don't have that, again, just a regular brush would work. Pretty easy to do. This is a part on the Sub-Zero refrigerator that often gets forgotten because it's kind of hiding behind that panel, so we don't really think about it that much. So now we've got it clean. We're going to put the panel back. We're going to put it in the top, lift up, push in at the bottom, and let it set down, and it'll lock right into position. So I hope that's been helpful to you, and please subscribe when you get a chance. Thanks for watching.